back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Marie and I make luxury related videos every single week, so I would love for you to consider to subscribe down below. Today I'm back with another Dior unboxing. Recently I bought a new Dior bag and now I found the matching shoes as well, and I'm going to unbox them with you now. So let's open this bag. Here is the tissue paper, as always, and here is the Dior shoe box, the ribbon, there's an authenticity card, the dust bags, they are so beautiful in this stuff gray, and can see them. So I got the Dior Slingback flats in cream white, and how pretty do they look. They match my bag perfectly. I love these so much and I was debating to get them for a long time in black, but I never really pulled the trigger, and when I saw that they came in white I just had to get them, and they are so comfortable actually. But what was weird, I'm actually always a size 37, and when I tried them on I literally fell out of the shoe, so I had to size down half a size and I have them in 36.5 now. Here you can see the star. I love the detailing on this shoe, it's just so pretty. Here's the second one as well. They're wrapped up nicely. How cute are these? And they match my bag perfectly. I brought it to show you. Look how good that looks. After trying them on the street for the first time, and I have to say that these shoes are actually pretty comfortable, even though I saw a lot of videos on YouTube where people told that they are not comfortable at all, and I can't agree with them, but I'll keep you updated when I wear them for a longer period. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope to see you in the next video as well, which will be a beach cover-up haul and luxury sandals unboxing. So stay tuned. Bye!